That's a big one.
Buddy.
And he's got a lantern. Look, he can sleep with you. He's got a pillow.
Look, you got a pillow and a lantern to hang out with you. He can go sleep with you at night so that you don't have to sleep with mommy and daddy. Here, let me open him. I'll tell you, show you so you can see what he does. Here. Here. Wipe your nose. I'll take him out of the box.
And he's got a lantern that works.
Look, he can go to sleep with you at night so you don't get scared.
Is that yours?
Let me see.
Should be.
No. Go put that back.
No, it's
No,
not.
yours. Go put it back. Grab one of these gifts over here. Over here. What does that say? What's it from?
Mickey Mouse.
What does it say?
Mickey Mouse.
It's for Mickey Mouse? Okay, it can be for Mickey Mouse then.
It's not Mickey Mouse, it's a book.
It's a book?
No, 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 no.
I didn't know it was a book.
It's okay, Mom.
It's okay.
Is it a book?
No.
No? It looks too big to be a video.
Sirius XM.
Too heavy.
It's like a Wayman book.
There's 2 books.
Look at that. Who's on the back? Is that Winnie?
What do you got? Let's see.
It's Winnie the
You
Pooh
got-
and Lightning McQueen.
Wow.
I made her.
Made her.